Greetings everyone. So today Matthew and I are going to get started putting down the 3-inch foam and the radiant barrier plywood on the roof. A few days ago we were installing the 2x4s up the edges and around the gables and whatnot. Actually we ripped it down to 3-inch, so it's a 2x4 ripped down to 3 inches tall, so we can securely anchor the plywood all the way around the edges. We never put down this front piece because I was worried if it rained it would just dam up the water. So today we're going to start with cutting. We have to rip a 2x6 with angles on each edge so it stands up straight on the sloped roof right here in the front. And then we'll go ahead and start putting down the foam and the plywood and see how that goes. Second cut, 3.5. Okay, that's what it says. I just gotta trust it. All right, so we got the first corner framed out. We're putting a couple of dollops of glue in each corner and in the center, just kind of hold this in place in case we don't get the plywood over it or the OSB. All right, so let's see what happens.
Keep going. It's good.
All right. Okay, let's go grab a piece of plywood and try that. So next I got 6-inch washer head screws that we're gonna go down through the OSB, through the foam, and into the tops of the trusses. All right, that sounded solid. Guess we made it. All right, I got one drilled in the middle already. Nice. All right, so maybe we'll keep going sideways until we can move up to the next row.
Okay.
All right, let's get a measurement for foam. So it took us a little while to figure out what was going on and get our processes down, but I think we finally got it. But it took us a day to do this little half of the garage roof. We probably have about a 10-inch strip at the top that we're going to start with tomorrow. And then we'll start on this side of the dormer and get that all tied in.